Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick update on this hair. I've had it in for 4 weeks now and I'm still loving it. So I want to show you guys exactly what I do to maintain the curls and just to keep it looking, you know, the bomb. So first of all, let me start off by saying that I use this mousse. I got it at Walmart. And I use this African Royale BRX braid sheen spray just to bring the shine back. It's not too much of a shine, just enough. And for my edges, I use the Eben 24-hour edge tamer. I think that's how you say it. Eben, I don't know. I'm not the mother. You've seen it all over YouTube. Just get it. It's really good for your edges. Well, for mine. So that's just the 3 products I use on I'd say every other day or every 2 days just to keep the curl. And I'm loving it so far. And just as a reminder, I've had this hair in for 4 weeks and it still looks great. And at night all I do is put it up in a bun and I just put my satin head tie or bonnet over it, and that's all I do. That's it. If any of you guys tried this hair, let me know how you liked it, and you know, what did you do differently, or why do you like the hair? Just let me know down in the comments below.
Let's go running in the rain. I've been there and back again. I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain. There you'll wash away the pain. We'll be running side by side till we cross the finish line. Oh, the love we have is real, and in time your heart will heal. Since there's no sunshine, just thundering in the sky. Oh, let's go running in the rain. Got me singing, let's go running in the rain. Oh, the love we have is true. Don't you know that it's true? There is something special in you. Oh, I know. So come rain or shine, I'll be by your side. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be running with you, rain or shine. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be. Girl, I love you. Rain or shine. Oh, let's go running in the rain. I'll be running. Girl, I love you in the rain. Let's go running in the rain. right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain. There you'll wash away the pain. We'll be running side by side till we cross the finish line. Oh, the love we have is real, and in time your heart will heal. Since there's no sunshine, just thundering in the sky. Oh, let's go running in the rain. Got me singing, let's go running in the rain. All the love we have is true. Don't you know that it's true? There is something special in you. Oh, I know. So come rain or shine, I'll be by your side. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be running with you, rain or shine. Let's go running in the rain. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be girl, I love you. Oh, let's go running in the rain. I'll be running girl, I love you in the rain. Let's go running in the rain. Let's go running in the rain. I've been there and back again. I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain. There you'll wash away the pain. We'll be running side by side